This is my brother's Honda Rancher. It's a 2019 model. And as you can see, it's time for some new tires. The rear still have a little tread, but the fronts are very worn to the point of being dangerous. Let's get some new tires on it. And this is how it looks with the new tires. By 10, 11 on the back, stock size on stock rims, 24 by 8, 12 on the front. And don't forget, SUNF likes that we use their tires, so they've provided a promo code for our viewers, which is Southwest ORV, and that saves you 5% at checkout on your total order on sunf.com. Thanks for watching.